Corollas, and we're going to All Jap Day today, and we're taking 2 of my old Corollas. Scott's picking up his rotary one, and we're meeting a bunch of mates with a heap more Corollas. So we're Corollaring along. Look at that, it's early. Go. Getting up there. We're going to just spat water out the bonnet. I'm going to go and dump it over there at Angus's, so I'm going to go do a U-turn, come back, dump it there.
Gee, imagine if that car could actually make it to that K26.
Well, this is the one that didn't make it, and by the looks it probably shouldn't have anyway. It's not actually a bad car, actually, just the radiator had let go in it, so we didn't get it out there. It's a pretty solid car underneath the rusty looking skin. It's only surface rust. I kind of like the look of it, to be honest. But I just figured I'd show you guys anyway, since it didn't make it to the Jap Day, and ended up dumping it at a mate's place. And half of our camera gear was in this when we dumped it, so we didn't get a great deal of camera stuff to show you guys when we're out at the day. So, all you got is what you just saw, and me rambling about this pile of crap when we're done. So this you will see again eventually. Actually going to do a little bit of an upgrade motor wise on this thing. Something a bit EFI and bolt straight in the hole almost, apart from a sump change. Old Corolla guys will probably figure out exactly what it is straight away. But give it an extra gear. So it's only a 4-speed and a 1-litre motor at the moment. We'll change that. It's a bit ordinary to drive. We've upgraded brakes and springs and stuff like that in it already. It's not a bad little thing actually. If you haven't been able to tell by now, we're actually Toyota and kind of Corolla guys, if anything. I kind of get into any kind of car, but Toyotas and Corollas is where it is for both of us, I think. So this is the first model Corolla. This is actually a 67 model. It's got the original K motor in it, 4-speed manual. They had drum brakes all round. We've converted this one to KE20 disc brakes on the front. It's still got the drums on the rear. Drives around on absolutely massive 155 80 12-inch wheels, which are pretty huge. Obviously, apart from it being lowered and the brake upgrade, it's absolutely stock. So it's a cool little thing anyway. So this is a bit of a daily. We'll start getting around to a few little car meets in this thing. So that's about it. That's about all we've got, because we left all our gear in this and then it didn't make it. So sorry for the short video, but something's better than nothing, right? Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to do the likey, subscribey, clicky stuff. Do it. Come on. See you next week.
Hey, you have to turn the brake on, Andrew. Have to turn the brake on. Brake.
Nugget. How many?
27.
27? Shit. K26 made 36.
How many rods out?
None. 0. No. Alright. Probably 25. Look at the torque twist. Look at it made. Bugger, what? It made more than the... It's a K motor. It's made more than the bloody 3K in the 26. Do it again. What the hell? I don't get it. I told you it goes better than the wagon, than the van. Third time lucky. One. One more?
There may be some nitrous.
No f***ing nitrous. Go away. Go away. I can also smell rubber. Something's burning. Wow, eh? Picked up 2 horsepower on the gas.